Hello, this video is made for the hams who have purchased this Airpal kit, and if they are facing any issues, please send me an email. But I would like to let you know that we have made two changes in this Airpal transceiver. Those are not any major changes, very small changes. Above Q2 there is a capacitor. This is 100 PF. This has to be changed to 10 nanofarad. This is required because if you are getting any motorboating in your audio, so this is basically overloading of the front end. So you need to change this 100 PF to 10 nanofarad. So this is the first modification. The second modification is quite important, I think so that your transceiver can deliver optimum output. What we have done earlier, we had toroid cores out here, T37-2 and T50-2 for 40 meters. So what we have done, we have removed the toroids T37-6, which was for 20 meters, and T50-2, which was for 40 meters. So we have removed those, and in that place we are using the Toko coils, and we have also removed the trimmers. Those are not required. So this modification is quite important. If you do this, you will get a better RF output. So with this mod, I am getting around 5 watts on 20 meters, and I am getting 7 watts on 40 meter band. So the output is quite significant. And if I go from 12 volts to 14 volts, I still get a higher output. So this is very important. Otherwise, the transceiver is quite cute. It's quite tiny transceiver, doesn't have much parts. But initially, any transceiver or any project you try to build, you may have some issues which need to be sorted out. So I hope I have put some more effort into this, so that it becomes much easier for you all to build it. Try to have a look at this. It's written 10 ohm 1 watt, so you don't require this. Use a jumper out here. This is not required. This is actually used if you are getting any parasitic oscillation. This is not required. And this 10 ohm is required out here. So this is required out here. So you need to use this. And I have not done any changes to the attenuator. This is the attenuator out here for the VFO, and this is for the BFO. So these are the default values that I'm using. I have not made any changes to this. So that's it. I'll also put up a video of showing the RF output and the receiver performance. So thank you for your time.